Imagine this. Your boyfriend is having a heart-to-heart with his closest friend, a conversation you were never meant to hear. He says, "Don't get me wrong, I really like her. I like her a lot, but her friends kind of..." What do you think comes next? Her friends kind of... What? That one sentence can reveal something powerful because your friends might be influencing your love life more than you think. Now, I'm not here to tell you who to hang out with, but I do want to bring your attention to something that's often overlooked in relationships. If you tend to spend time with people who are just like you, you're naturally going to attract men who vibe with that energy, guys who click with your crowd. And if that sounds perfect to you, then awesome, you're probably already on the right path. But here's the catch. What if your friends are fun, but don't exactly reflect your deeper values, your long-term goals, or the kind of life you want to build? In that case, the men you're attracting might not be the kind who stick around, or worse, the kind who shouldn't. Let's talk about two sayings you've definitely heard. First, birds of a feather flock together. I'm sure you've heard that before. And here's another common saying. Opposites attract. They both mean different things, but which one is actually true? Psychologists have looked into it, and the research is clear. Opposites might attract at first, but birds of a feather stay together. The more similar you are to your partner in core values, lifestyle, and long-term goals, the happier and more stable your relationship tends to be. And guess what? Your friends play a role in that. If your circle reflects your true self, they can help filter out the wrong guys. A man who doesn't align with who you are probably won't enjoy being around your friends, and that misfit becomes obvious fast. But if you're spending time with people who don't represent the real you, you could unintentionally be pushing away the kind of man who would be perfect for your future. Now, I'm not saying you should cut people out of your life just to please a man. Absolutely not. But friendships do evolve. They change when you move, change jobs, or shift seasons in life. A true partner, a future husband, sticks with you through those transitions. So here's the takeaway. If you're serious about love and you're looking for someone to build a life with, make sure your world reflects the kind of life you actually want. Because the people around you don't just shape your days, they shape who shows up in your love life. If this video gave you a fresh perspective on love and relationships, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It may seem small, but it makes a huge difference.